last session we will discuss about the problems based on the determinants without expanding. We will solve by using the properties. We solve the few problems, and here also some problems are there on the properties of determinants. They have given evaluate minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc and ca cb minus c square. This determinant is equals to the RHS part, that is 4 a square b square and c square, that is 4 ab's a square b square c square. So first we need to take the LHS. So take down the LHS part here. We need to do that 4 a square b square and c square. First I am taking a b c common from r1 r2 and r. So taking from first row a I am taking out as common, and from second row b and from third row c. So taking a common from r1, b from r2, c from r. So the given determinant reduces to, so what I am taking here common from first row a, second row b and third row c. What is left? If you take a as common here, 1a will left and minus here b will left, because from the first row I am taking a as a common and here c. Similarly for second row b I am taking it out as common, so here you get it as a and minus b and c, and here I am taking out as common c. So here a, b and minus c. So I got here a, b, c. In RHS part, you know that this answer should be equals to 4 a square b square and c square. Well, already we got here a, b, c. But we want a square, b square, c square. Again what we need to take here, again taking out a common from c here. You observe that first column has all the elements contain a, say minus a and a. Here b, c2, and here in the third column c. So what I will do here, taking out a common from c1, that is first column, and b from c2, c from third column, that is c. So the given determinant is reduced to, already we have ABC, and again I am taking ABC common from C1, C2, C3. So what will left here? Here minus 1, here 1, because A I am taking it as common, and here 1 and 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So what is that here? So here a square, b square, c square, and here minus 1, 1 and 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So in this we need to, lastly, in order to get the required RHS, we need to expand this determinant. See here. What will get here? A square, b square, c square, and I am expanding along the first row. You may expand the first row or first column. So I am expanding along c1. What will get here? c1 means first column. This one. Expanding along c1, we will get it. First one is minus 1. The signs are Here you get plus and here minus and here plus for expanding the determinant. So here minus 1. So deleting this row and the element containing that row and column. What is left here? Second order determinant minus 1 1 1 minus. So if you multiply, what will you get? Minus into this multiply minus this. So minus minus plus. So minus 1 becomes plus 1. So after that minus 1 1 this one. After that again here we are expanding along the first column. So minus 1. So minus 1 deleting that row and that column, you left with minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 and minus, and lastly plus 1. So what is left here? Deleting this row and column, 1 into 1 is 1 minus, so here minus 1 will go. So here also minus, so minus minus becomes plus. So you get, if you simplify this, you will get it as see here minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 becomes, so here you left with 0 and here minus 1 minus 1 becomes minus 2 and here plus 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. So lastly you will get c square. So 0 and anything is 0. So minus minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4 a square b square c square. This is equals to r. So the next problem is prove that. Sometimes they will give evaluate or prove that. Prove that this determinant is equals to 4ab. This is quite important problem. It was asked in the year 2014. First we need to take as usual LHS part. See here. Here also sum of C1 or R1 includes the sum of two terms, and here R2 is also one term is the sum of two terms. Here also in R3 it includes the third row includes sum of two terms. What we have to do here? We need to reduce the terms. This single term into sum of two terms into single term. So we need to operate an operation here. First write down the LHS part. This is the LHS part. We need to prove it as 4ABC. Applying and operation. See here. First column here. What is there here? B plus C, and here B and here C. By using these two elements, we can make this element as 0. So here I am applying B plus C is there in the first row, and B is there in the second row, C is there in the third row. What I use here? I am operating for R1. So R1 minus R2 minus R. So B plus C is there in the R1, and for R2 minus R2, so minus C, and R3, so minus C. So plus B minus C get cancels, plus C minus B get cancels. You left with as 0. In this way, we will solve the remaining also. So the given determinant reduces to. So here already we solved it as, here you will get 0. And for second term, again for R1 as usual A, R2 is minus C minus C. Again minus. What is that? Plus C minus C, plus A minus A get cancels. So minus C becomes minus 2C. And for the last one, that is A minus B minus A minus A. Here also plus A minus A get cancels, left with minus 2B. So remaining R1 and R2 you write it as it is, because I am operating only for R1. So B, C plus A. So B, C, A plus B. So here one element you got it as here 0. So always at this stage you need to expand the determinant. Why? Because if one element is 0, then it is very easy to calculate the remaining two elements. Because already one element is 0. So you can choose along C1 or R1. So the required answer will get it by expanding the determinant C here. So expanding along R1. Expanding along R1. So what you get here? So first one is 0. The sign of the determinant for this is for expanding plus, minus and plus. So first one is 0. Deleting that row and column, what you get? So A plus B into A plus C minus BC. A plus B, C plus A minus B, and minus C here. Minus of minus becomes plus. So plus 2C. Deleting that row and column, you will get it as A plus B into B. So if you multiply A plus B by B, what will you get? First term as AB and second term as B square. Because for A plus B, we are multiplying with B minus B. So minus B. And for third element, that is plus into minus is minus 2B, you will get deleting element, this element containing that row and that column, you will get the second order determinant, that is BC minus, you need to multiply C plus A by C. So what you get? Minus B square minus AC. Minus C square minus AC. So 0 into anything is, you will get it as 0 only. So plus 2C. So here you need to multiply with this bracket with 2C. That is 2ABC plus 2CB square minus 2BC square. Here also minus 2B square C minus of minus becomes plus. So 2B square, sorry, BC square and minus becomes plus. So you get 2 as it is A, B, C. 2ABC C plus 2CB square and here also minus 2B square C. So plus CB square and minus 2B square get cancelled. Here minus 2BC square, here plus 2. So this will get cancelled. You left with 2ABC and here also plus 2ABC. So you get it as 2 plus 2 is 4.